Hi everyone, here we've got a OnePlus Nord N10 5G, and let me show you how to show battery percentage on the status bar. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to tap on the display. It should be on the third position. Now let's scroll down a little, and as you can see here we've got the status bar, so let's tap, and here we've got the option show battery percentage. Now we've got only the battery icon, but in order to show the battery percentage, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see the exact percentage of the usage of the battery simply appears next to the battery icon. What's more, here we've got some cool feature like battery style, so let's tap on it, and as you can see we can change the icon, we can set the battery bar just like now, or we can hide the battery or show it as a circle. If you want to check how it looks, simply tap on it, and as you can see instead of the battery icon we've got the circle. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your OnePlus Nord N10 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.